Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. If you're looking to gain weight in a healthy way, today's video is just for you. We're diving into 10 superfoods that can help you pack on the pounds with nutritious options. Let's get started. Number 1, oats. Oats are packed with soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and keeps your heart healthy. They're also great for digestion, keeping you full longer and stabilizing blood sugar levels. And rich in vitamins and minerals like manganese, magnesium, and iron, oats provide essential nutrients that support overall health. Plus, they're super versatile, perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even baking. Number 2, nuts. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, especially heart-friendly monounsaturated fats. They help lower bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, they're a great source of protein, making them perfect for muscle repair and growth. Number 3, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, perfect for building muscle and keeping you full longer. It's also loaded with probiotics, which are great for gut health and digestion. Plus, it's rich in calcium, helping you maintain strong bones and teeth. And with less sugar than regular yogurt, it's a great option for a healthy snack or breakfast. Number 4, quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's also rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and supports healthy digestion. And loaded with important minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc, quinoa helps support your energy levels, bone health, and immune system. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free, making it a great option for everyone. Number 5, bananas. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps keep your heart healthy and your muscles strong. They're also rich in fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you full longer. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins like vitamin C and B6, boosting your immune system and supporting brain health. And don't forget, their natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, perfect for pre-workout or a midday snack. Number 6, chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. They're also high in fiber, helping with digestion and keeping you full longer. These little seeds are also rich in antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage, and they're a good source of calcium and magnesium for strong bones and muscles. Number 7, whole eggs. Whole eggs are an incredible source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Plus, they're packed with important vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline, which supports brain health. And don't forget the healthy fats in the yolk. These fats help keep you full and provide essential nutrients like omega-3s. Whole eggs are also rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. Number 8, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A for healthy eyes and glowing skin. They're also high in fiber, helping with digestion and keeping you full longer. Plus, they're rich in vitamins C and B6, boosting your immune system and supporting brain health. Number 9, avocados. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol. They're also a great source of potassium, even more than bananas, which helps regulate blood pressure. Plus, avocados are rich in fiber, keeping you full and supporting digestion. They're also packed with vitamins like C, E, K, and B vitamins, boosting your immune system, skin health, and energy levels. And finally, number 10, whole milk. Whole milk is rich in calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. It also provides vitamin D, helping your body absorb calcium and supporting immune function. Plus, it contains high-quality protein and healthy fats that help keep you full and support muscle growth. Whole milk also has vitamins like A and B12, which are important for vision and energy. These nutrient-dense foods provide a balance of healthy fats, proteins, and carbs, helping to support healthy weight gain. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and recipes. See you next time.